and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can rename bookmark in Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. Once you do so, you will end up in its official page, so you can select a project or start a new one. And once you do so, you just need to go and check where you have linked your doc with the bookmark. So once you find your bookmark, you can simply tap on the pencil-like icon which says edit link. So now you can simply change the name of the text and rename it as per your liking. So this way you can change or rename your bookmark on your Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.